Howdy y'all, today we're going to remove an 8-inch sub that a local dealer installed for me in my Tundra, and we're going to put in the RT10 kickers, 2 subs, okay? We're going to make this as quick and simple as possible. First thing we're going to know is if you see holes in here, it's because I did put the plastic storage back in my Crewmax, is there going to be 4 bolts. You're going to require 17 millimeter, okay? It's going to be bolt here, 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 and then back here. Okay, I'm gonna take that out. This is the larger of the 2 seats that come out. So what we're gonna do, instead of having to take it all completely out, because I've already got a sub ran back there, and you can see the wire right back here. So instead of having to worry about taking this completely out and running wire and everything, we're just gonna put the seat, tilt it forward. That way I can get everything back behind here. All right, here we go. All right, we got the parts off. Now, what I wanted to show you here is I was told that these are very different and they have to match. See the threads on here? It's a different thread than that one. So they do have to match up back. So my recommendation is recording which hole you took it out of and making darn sure you put it right back in the same hole so you don't cross thread or cause any issues. Okay, so now we have everything disconnected. I had to lift up just a little bit, and you can see that these have completely been removed, so they're just no problem. I'm trying to tilt it forward, and I realized, oh, the seatbelt's got an issue. Very simple solution. Just remove this portion of the seatbelt. All right, now we can just take this. We're gonna take this now, and we should be able just to slowly and carefully tilt it forward. As you can see, I'm doing this by myself. Very simple. I'm probably gonna adjust this a little bit to make sure it does stay against there. That way I don't have to take the whole thing out. There we go. So now I have room to get to my sub, get to my wiring, and make this hopefully a 10-minute install. Okay, here, I just pull this out from back in that corner. Very simple to do. What we're now going to do is I'm just going to mark this red, mark this black, and it's going to coincide with the red and black right here. And hopefully, if all goes to plan, we'll put it right back together and it'll be done. You know what? Make it simple. We know the other one's black. Okay, now we have the red hooked up to the red, black hooked up to the black. Engine's off, keys are off, so there's no low voltage going on. I'm gonna take this off because I really don't want that flapping around. Okay, properly wired, red's on red, black's on black. We got it back in. Next step, putting the seat back together. Make sure that these are put in the right place. And you're gonna bolt it in. And don't forget, make sure your seatbelt gets in the right place. Now we're gonna try to line this up with this, and this up with this, and just fold it back into place. Sure. Seatbelt is back in. Coming through here. Next step should be bolting everything back down. Okay, so we got these back installed. I will also let you notice that you will notice this, and I'll let you help you out with this. When I had to install these back screws, I do those first because when I put these back in just normally, there was pressure in the back of the cab where the seat, where the box mounts, where the subs mount. So once I put these bolts back in, it flushed them. Everything worked fine. It's right back to where it was supposed to be. Now, next, the safety belt. That was a little tricky. I did not remember how I took it out. I knew I just disconnected it, but I did not remember taking it out and what it looked like. So just keep in mind, when you do the safety belt, it has to be in the seat like this. You pull it through, there's a latch right here. It'll hold it in place. Just make sure you're doing that and everything should be fine. All right, y'all, so everything is working fine. I put everything back the way it was. And for purposes of copyright, I will not play the music. We had a little bit of a Ludacris and Carrie Underwood playing, and the bass was definitely pumping, thumping. It sounded good. Much better than my little Alpine I had over there. So works a lot better, sounds better. Everything's put back. I'm showing you this so you can see it's all put back in place like nothing ever happened. All right, y'all, I hope you liked the video. As my son says, I'm supposed to tell you to subscribe and like it and share it. All right, thanks a lot, y'all. Bye.